How are
Hi,
you?
hi, I'm doing great. How are you?
Yes, I'm very well. I'm doing good.
Are you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. How are you today? Are you doing great?
Yes, I'm doing good. I'm very well. So how are you? And how are you doing?
I'm doing good. How was your day?
Yeah, it was good.
Okay. Today,
So, mhm.
my day is very nice. I am so excited because I did shopping for my baby.
Okay, that's nice. So yeah, we know that Diwali is around the corner. So yeah. Mhm.
Yes, you are right. You are right. Can I know how celebrate is there Diwali, Deepavali there in your
Yeah,
place?
yeah, it is celebrated. I think in same fashion as it is celebrated in your estate. Okay, people lantern lamp as well as nowadays they use electric bulb instead of lamp. Yeah, they also use few lamps. Okay, and electric bulbs. The children use crackers at night time. Okay, lots of sweets and dishes are being prepared. Yeah.
You like Diwali?
Yes, I like Diwali anyway, but I think there should be Diwali every day in our life. Okay. Yeah, it is good we celebrate Diwali, but our life should be like Diwali. Okay. We should be always happy. Okay. We should be always colorful and lightful.
Yes, yes, yes. You celebrated there?
Yes. Yeah, my family celebrates, so I enjoy.
Okay. You get what is called crackers?
No, I do not use cracker because I have left using crackers. Uh, I
Okay.
think 6 or 7 years ago. Okay. Uh, yeah, I do not want to pollute environment as well as I do not want to kill the birds because I love birds and animals. They are a natural heritage. Okay. And anyway, by using crackers, we are doing nothing. Just we are killing them. Yeah, I don't think that by burning a crackers can only give us pleasure. We can be we can be pleasant even in the peaceful state. So generally, I like calm and peaceful place and peaceful environment, not using crackers or something like that. Yes, I like lightning, but not using crackers.
You are good thinking.
Thank you.
You have good opinion.
Yeah. So
You
what about your your
birds.
place?
You have birds and animals around you. I mean
Uh,
around your place.
yeah, because
Lot.
there are trees and birds are lives on tree.
Okay. It's animals, big animals like tiger. You have
No,
forest.
no, no, no forest. I mean, yeah, because even there is a few tree, uh, in our surrounding, and lots of birds used to come there and sit and sing.
Yes, I have two. Here also celebrating the Diwali. Very fantastic. They are celebrating only with using crackers before Diwali. They are started before 4 days. Children's,
Hmm.
especially children's, they are using crackers. They feel very happy
Yes, they feel.
when they are using crackers, and also prepare some sweet at home. It is the situation, corona situation, so everyone not buy sweets in outside. They prepare only at home, homemade
Yeah.
sweets.
Mhm.
And also in Diwali, relatives and family friends are coming, other families. Now it's
Mm,
not
yeah.
possible. Only celebrate at home only, and using only crackers at evening. And also they are taking some precautions.
Of course. Yeah.
I enjoyed at my childhood. I used crackers. Now I am not using.
Mhm. Yeah. That's great. Because yeah, because when we were children, okay, we were using crackers. It was not wrong because we have no sense and we were not knowing about these things. But right now we are educated. We know that how much severe, pollution and pollution are damaging our environment. So we must be aware of these things that we should not use crackers. At least adults should never use crackers. Yeah, children can use cracker for some extent because they have no knowledge and they want to enjoy and celebrate
They
Diwali.
do not understand what they're doing.
Yeah.
They feel only the enjoyment at the right time, using crackers. They are enjoying when making sound and lights.
Yes. Yeah.
You know, India is very traditional festival. It is Diwali.
Yeah, Diwali is one of the biggest festival in India and especially for Hindus.
Yes, and everyone going to temples in the day,
Yeah, everyone goes temple.
and also evening time they are celebrating with crackers.
Yes. So, how is everything going on? How is your preparation for Diwali?
You know, I am not celebrating Diwali
Hmm.
now.
Why
So
are you not celebrating?
when I am Hindu, I mean I am not converted into Christian.
Yes.
I am doing, I am celebrating festival, Diwali festival, like using crackers and making sweets and eating too much.
Hmm.
Now I convert into Christian, so I
Hmm.
stopped celebrating that Diwali. Now I came into my mother house, my mother home. I am enjoying it every day.
Okay, so you
Diwali
are
means
Christian right
happiness.
now.
Happiness means happiness. You told me before that Diwali is every day in your life. Happiness and colorful. Yes,
Hmm. Of
I
course.
mean my opinion also.
Yes, I got, I got. So right now you are Christian, but I think in past you were Hindu.
Yes, you are right.
So when did you change your religion?
I am trained in 2012,
Okay.
and my husband also father. I mean faster, and
Eh,
also he is a teacher. Before converting his Christianity, he is a teacher. Before he is pastor, he is doing work as a teacher. English teacher he is.
okay, I got you.
Thank you. Finally. Okay, tell me what you had today. Your dinner.
Okay, in my dinner, uh, I don't know. You know about these dishes or not? Roti,
Yes.
okay, chutney, and we have pulses, dal, okay, and vegetable.
Yes, I love roti. You take only in breakfast time. Rotis, chapati.
Chapati. But we especially take in night time, okay?
Every day?
Yeah, every day in night time, but in daytime we take rice. We eat rice.
Yes. In daytime. At my lunch, I am eating rice and dinner also I eat rice. In breakfast time, I take chapati at some time, not regularly. With
Okay.
aloo kurma, it is a very fantastic combination.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Anand,
Okay.
have a nice day and taking a sleep. Good night. Good night for you.
Okay.
Have a blessed sleep.
Mm. So, okay. Bye bye. Good night. See
Bye
you
bye.
again. Bye. Bye.
Bye. See you again.